Yeah, so here we go, Brighton Beach. It's windy out here, but it's like a nice wind. It's not it's not freezing. It's really, you know, it's really good. But it's not really hot out here, even the water, because even like 85 and 80 something degrees, the water is still cool. So when you put your feet in the water, it's cold. So no one is in the water right now. But it's, it's really nice out here. You have on like, you put on like a little sweater and you're good to go. Yeah, you're good to go. So yeah, there's no lifeguards, like I said, just the seagulls and a few people out here chilling, like come and take a walk and stuff like that, because it's not really sunny, but it's not freezing cold. It's just a nice day. Yeah, so yes guys. Yeah, that's normally where the guy sits, where the his chair right there. Yeah, that's his chair. You know who I'm talking about, right? The lifesavers. There's no lifeguard here today. You only see his chair. His chair right there, but you have to go accordingly. But there ain't nobody going in the water right now. Because yeah, this is not the time. Yeah. So it's all good.